Yo, yo, yo. What it do, man? What it do? We here, we live, on time, early in the morning, ready to trade. Good time, good day today right now, man. What's good with it? What's good with it? Any day now, Rumble. What's good with it? We is back in action, ready to trade. Let's go, man. We is ready to trade. Let's get to it.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. We are tonight's entertainment.
Tap in, nigga. We here. Tap in, man. We here. Let's get to it. Let's get ready to trade, man. Let's get ready to trade. Transfer from TrillPlanet305. Let's get to it. Let's get to it, man. Let's go.
Gotta get this shit in one way or Tuesday. I'm sitting back counting up some new faces. Wednesday, I just might go to the mall and stand. Thursday, she gon' throw that ass back and stand. Thank God it's Friday. Catch me on the highway Saturday and Sunday. Get into the money for the team. Say the thing. In the bed, my fucking phone, they see my chain, no, I'm legit. Get a big ass booty, holding talking my shit on the dick. You a loopy nigga dick. Got this razor in my hand, I fix you up and drop a bit. What's the burger, nigga sick of doing shit. You ain't even just my sleep, I got the fuck to work the mix. Trying to get some dick from me.
We back, man. We back, man. We back. Let's get ready to start, man. Let's get to it, my nigga. Yeah. I'm not gonna lie. I'm kind of looking rough a little bit, man. I need a shaper. A nigga need a tape. Feel me? Damn. Looking crazy. All right, we vibing. Let's I'd rather pull back down. So I won't be surprised if it's a gap and go at 9:30 if it decides to do that. Uh, mm, mm, mm. All right, so we got that down pat. Hold on. That's straight. Oh shit, I forgot to even put the intro on. Potential trade setup for Oracle right here. I'm really liking Oracle setup, bro. That shit crazy. That's a nice pullback. I like it. I like this pullback. That's interesting. It still held this. You know what? Let me just remove that. Mhm. Mhm.
Another catalyst, which means trading for the rest of the open, or for the rest of the pre-market session and into the open, will just be based on what we currently have as our leading gainers. ASTC and a couple penny stocks, AMSS, but that's pulled back too much.
They're gonna see something. Trust me. They're gonna see something soon, boy. I'm like, what the hell? Oh, this nigga on it. They're gonna be like, oh, this nigga on it, bruh. Matter of fact, where's the oh yeah, that's what I want to look at. Ortex, right?
My edge as a trader comes from precise decision making, putting different pieces of information together and don't even share these. Straight to the market without unnecessary delays. Most retail broker platforms use payment for order flow, meaning your orders get routed in a way that benefits brokers, not you. This is why you'll often see stocks move right past your entry price without getting filled. It's not just bad luck, it's because your broker isn't prioritizing your order. With DOS Trader Pro, you can control your routing. You can send your orders to the best possible route, whether it's ARCA, EdgeX, Cobra's REB25, or direct to market makers. In short, you get faster fills, better pricing, because you control your own order routing, which means you can get filled at the best possible price, and you can access the hidden liquidity in the...
Whoa, that's a healthy pullback. Healthy pullback. I like that. I like that a lot.
level 2s that regular brokers won't show you. Here's what my personal layout looks like on DOS. I will show you guys how to make yours look just like mine or customize it in the way you like. The reason why I like mine this way is it's just simple, it's straight to the point. I have my orders here and the executions here with the time and the routes, and I can keep track of the ECN fees, and it's just pretty simple. I'm keeping track of the fees. I have all my orders over here getting executed, and over here I have my locates. I can go through my locates, all the different locate routes. So you can see Cobra has 11 locate routes, and I have my shares at 3,000, but you know, I can locate more as I want. Just do 3,000 increments is what works for me. And I have my order here, my level 2. So this is my level 2. So when the market's on, all the level 2 happens here. And I like to do 500, so I'm recycling shares, and I'm just doing 500 at a time. And you know, I can do it pretty quick. So the market's off right now, but I can do it pretty quick when I need to. And I have REB25L always there. And over here, I'll have, you know, this is the time in sales, and I got level 2. So everything is always fresh and ready to go. And up here, you'll usually see my account, the amount of money and stuff. So I just hid that for now, but while I'm sharing the screen with you guys. But yeah, I just keep it simple, and it's just the bare bones for me, you know, just the level 2, time and sales, locates, the amount of locates, and just to be
In today's episode, I'm going to teach you how to day trade using DAS Trader. This episode will be an interactive platform demo where I'll walk you through some of the settings that I changed to optimize the platform for my style of trading. Now, an important distinction we have to make at the beginning of this episode is the difference between a software company and a broker-dealer. DAS Trader is a software company, and that means you could subscribe to their software for a monthly subscription, but they are not a broker-dealer. You can't send them $5,000 and open a DAS Trader account. So you need to have your broker account. But the nice thing with DAS Trader is that on the back end, they connect to more than a dozen different brokers. So for instance, if you watch my Charles Schwab Thinkorswim review, at the end of that episode, I said, if you want a better front-end experience, you could consider subscribing to DAS Trader and then connecting it through the API to your Charles Schwab account. And just like that, you don't have to use Thinkorswim anymore. You can do the same thing with Interactive Brokers. If you're using Interactive Brokers and you don't like their Trader workstation, you could use DAS Trader instead. So it can be a different front-end platform. Now, historically, smaller broker-dealers haven't been able to afford to build custom trading platforms like Thinkorswim. Those types of platforms cost tens of millions of dollars to build, millions of dollars a year to maintain. So smaller broker dealers that are offshore, coming here, watching this after having maybe already watched my Charles Schwab Thinkorswim review, one of the things I said at the end of that review was that realistically, DAS Trader is going to give you a better experience than Thinkorswim. Now, when we get back over here, I'm going to walk you through how to use DAS Trader with Charles Schwab and how to use DAS Trader with Interactive Brokers a little bit later in this episode. But right now, let's just get into the setup of how to use DAS Trader. So the first thing is there will not be charts. I'm not going to set up charts on DAS because I just don't think they're that great. And I know that some people like them. And one of the things that is nice about them is that when your charts are set up, you can have it so it'll show your orders right on the chart, which visually is nice. Now, first of all, you might be like, well, wait a second. How do I even, okay, I populated a chart. And so I'm going to say that I don't know who came up with that idea because it's not intuitive. I used DAS Trader, I want to say for years before I understood how to drag that little anchor to link windows together. So what most platforms do, and it's not always totally intuitive, but most platforms have linking where you have a link right here where you click on this and then we'll use TradingView for charts, or they'll use Thinkorswim for charts, but they just use DAS for order execution. Okay, so now what we want to do here is first kind of get this set up so it looks visually more appealing. Now, my layout is available for members at Warrior Trading, and for those on YouTube, there will be a link in the description and pinned to the top comments where you can download my layout. Hang on one second. Okay, sorry about that. So if you want to load my layout, what you do is you download it, you then go to File, you go to Open Desktop, and if it's in your Downloads folder, copy that file, go over to your C drive, go to the DAS Trader folder, and then put it in the folder. And you can call the file whatever you want, but it has to be named default.dsk if you want it to automatically load that file every time you start the platform. So you might want to rename it to default.dsk. All right, so then you open it and boom, you're gonna have the exact same layout that I have. Awesome. Now we're gonna do the same thing with hotkeys. You could download my hotkey file, and what you do is you download that file and then you drag it into the DAS Trader folder, and it's hotkey.htk. So I'm gonna give you my hotkey file, and then you can just put it right here. And if you already have a hotkey file, change your hotkey file to hotkey 2, hotkey backup, and then drop the new one right here. Again, it has to be titled this way in order for the system to know that that's your hotkey file. So first of all, you can have my exact same layout, and then you don't have to do all of this. But I'm gonna walk you through the way I set it up and how I customized it. We'll do that in just a moment. So first we're gonna go to the general settings. So I'm gonna go to order templates. And under order templates, we can decide what we want our default share size to be. For the purpose of this video, I'm gonna change it to 10 shares, so I could just take some small size trades without losing money, basically. And then I see different settings for all. I'm gonna change here. Some of these I've already changed and I don't recall which ones they were. It'll got all of this set up. To share control and select the position. So we're gonna do, we'll do, let's see, that's too expensive. So we're gonna do forward, and I'm just gonna click the buy button here. So click the buy button, and I'm in 10 shares. I'm gonna click the buy button a second time. And now look at what happened. My position has changed from 10 to 20. So what if I click it a third time? Now it's gonna go to 40. What if I click it again? Now I'm at 80. And what I tend to do, many of you guys know this, that when I'm trading, I'll put in my order like this, and I'll go like this. You hear that clicking noise? I'll tap it 3 times. So the reason I do that is because that's part of my strategy for scaling in. But if you do that with DAS Trader, you could suddenly be exponentially increasing your position size, and that would be a problem. So now we're gonna go here. So what I'm gonna do to address that is I'm gonna go back into the order templates, back into the trading settings, and and I'm gonna turn off default to position. So do not default to position. All right, so we're gonna leave that like that, and now let me show you what it does. So we're gonna add 10 shares, and oh, it did still go to 90. So what we gotta do is we gotta add on constant shares. So default to position, oh, share to position. We gotta turn that off as well. So now let's just see what it does if I do 10 shares. Is it gonna go back to 0? Yeah, it goes to 0. And that's not what we want either, because I can't click it 3 times when it goes to 0. So I can do one of two things. I can do constant shares, or I can do reset share to default. Let's do constant share and I'll show you what happens. So if I do 10 and I click it 3 times, 1, 2, 3, that's the functionality that I like. Because here's what I like to do. I like to buy, and then what I often will do is I'll sell half my position. So let's go into the hotkey here, and I'll just show you, I'll just create a hotkey script real quick. I'm just gonna actually, these are hotkeys from my other account here, but we'll just create a hotkey real quick. So, or I'll just change it to the account number. So sell half position on the bid, and I'm just gonna go to the script, and I'm gonna change this to that account. No, I'm in the other account. So I'll switch it to that account, and I'm just gonna commit. I'm gonna show you how to build a hotkey in a second, but for right now, let's just do this. So I'm gonna press this hotkey to sell half my position by default. See, I don't like that. I like the green on top, not the yellow. I like the salmon red color second and the yellow third. Now that's just personal preference, but here's the nice thing with Dash Trader. You can change it. So right click, go to level 2 configure, and then right in there, boom, we can start changing this around. So we're gonna change to green, boom, and we're gonna change the next one to salmon color, like that, boom, done. We're gonna change this one to, I think, yellow, and then the next one is cyan. It doesn't matter, but you just change it the way you like it. You click OK, and then, all right. But wait a second, see, I really would like that to be a different font. Now I'm being pretty picky here, but I wanna be able to see these numbers. All right, so we gotta go back in here, level 2 config, and we're gonna switch this from Arial 9. Now, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go out on a limb here and say, I want papyrus. Papyrus. Oh, papyrus. I'm just kidding. If you use papyrus as your font, you might be a serial killer. This would be completely insane. So don't use papyrus. We're not teaching Reiki here. This is not a meditation class. This is day trading. So we're gonna switch to back to Arial. Keep it basic, but we do want. I prefer it to be on bold. All right, so we're back on bold. There we go. Now this I can read. I can work with this. The only thing I'm noticing is we've got a couple too many decimal points. So if we're looking at a cheap stock, what's a penny stock we've got? So SBET. If you trade penny stocks, go to level 2 config, you're gonna need 4 decimal points, right? You're trading penny stocks. You gotta see it. So you wanna go in there and you wanna make it 4 decimals. If you're not trading penny stocks, then you could just do 2 decimals. So I don't usually trade penny stocks, so I just do 2 decimals. So just be aware of that. If you change it to 2 and you're trading something cheap, it could go lower. You're just not going to see that. So you got to make sure you adjust it. All right, so back to level 2 config. So we've got our font, we've got the price format, and then this, I just leave all of this standard, and I don't have any problem with that. So no issue there. Advanced ladder, that's in development, nothing there. And then let's see. So monitor, mids, so LU.
All right, just focus on trading. We're gonna get back into that, bro. Okay.
You're gonna learn some bits and pieces from this video that's gonna be able to help you out in setting up your platform. Now, I'm on a Mac, and I use Crossover for Mac, so I can use a Windows platform on my Mac. I've done a video on that. Type in Crossover for Mac, setting up your platform with CMake. Let me move my face just a little. And then my times of sales is yellow as well, so any stock in your watch list is located here. And if you don't know where your watch list is, just make sure you go to the action bar. Mine's located down here at the bottom. You can go to Windows and Quotes, and that's where you can access your watch list time to sale. Double click Apple again, it's gonna populate to the chart. Now the chart is very basic. We want to definitely add some things to the chart. So if you right click into the chart, that's where you're able to go to settings. Let's highlight market hours. That way we can differentiate the pre-market and after hours adjust your orders by dragging that. I think that's pretty nice. Up today's open, so it's very strong. Apple is right now. If we right click on the chart, we can add an indicator. We'll make it yellow, and then we will set our, not a ton of volume there on Apple. I do like that indicator. I would throw that one on the chart. Let's go over to the level 2 real quick and see what kind of settings we can adjust for this. We can adjust the level 1 bar highlighting, some miscellaneous things as well. The colors, you can flip the text and the background colors, which I kind of like that. Let's see what it looks like.
All right, let's get back to it. Market's about to open up. Seems like it was a nice, crazy pullback. Wow. Mm, mm. All right, 9:30's open. What a sell-off. What a sell-off. Wow. Wow, what a sell-off. Mm. Oh. It says Nvidia is crossing 212. Oh, okay. Ooh, what a pullback from Nvidia. That's nice. Very nice. Because we'll definitely be able to play the oversold bounce play. Oh man. Oh man. Will the markets go from green to red? Or we get an extreme oversold bounce play? Let's wait. We gotta wait. That's the power of being patient, man. Power of being patient. Wait for the setup to form. Tesla's up 2%. What's going on with Tesla? What's going on with Tesla? Whoa. Oh, okay. So Tesla wanted EU approvals for self-driving tech. Okay. Alright, the setup is not there yet. It's coming soon though. They want to get there soon. Not yet. Oh man, what a crazy drop. What the fuck happened? And what the hell is going on, man? That's crazy. Mm. Yeah, this is a very dramatic sell-off. That's crazy. Wow. From being up green, that's very confusing. Yeah, if y'all banked that, good for you, bruh. I'm not gonna lie. SMC, Qualcomm's. Wow, Qualcomm's down. Matter of fact, where the fuck is Qualcomm? Let's substitute Meta for Qualcomm. Bruh, no way. You mean to tell me this whole time this shit was ripping like that? No way, bruh. Not Qualcomm, bro. I can't believe I missed Qualcomm. No wonder, bro. My alerts keep disappearing. I'm like, fuck. Why wasn't I alerted on this? I gotta start keeping my alerts on for like, oh my god, bruh. Damn it, man. Missed the whole run up. I missed all of this, bro. What's it? April 13th? We in May? I missed all of that, bro. Wow, bruh. I'm tripping. This is ridiculous, bruh. Fuck. Alright, let's see on the 15-minute chart if we start to see some formation. I got $100 million right. Damn, that was a crazy reversal from Tesla. Shit gave it all the way back. Oh, Palantir. I'm not gonna lie. Palantir been quiet. A little too quiet. There we go. We was waiting for this green candle to form. Okay, it's forming. It's forming. Oh yeah. Yeah. I like that. Let's see what price action do. Let's see. I got rejected off of this price action right here, 729. And got one fill, bottom tick. I like this one right here. Let's get it. Added on this position right here. Let's fucking get it. Let's get it. We added on this trade setup right here, bro. Let's go. Let's go.
Chinese names on the high, but they're literally all red. Well. And then CRM, I believe, I'm surprised on that. They're still down, but the contracts are a little bit today. Yeah, Qualcomm does that almost every time. Yeah, they're down again, but then Intel and a few others, they were up 3-4%, and they've all sold off. I mean, even SanDisk, that's a 4% move in the last 10 minutes. You guys know that. Even Micron moved another 3 or 4% as well too. So yeah, some of these moves are very large. I mean, we just gapped up big, and then you made a certain type of move that did bring the SPY, Nasdaq, Russell. They're all down, nothing more than a quarter, and then Dow is leading to the upside by a quarter. Yeah, Chipset moves a shit ton. That's why I'm like, come on, software. Software showed some better signs of life, but still down 1. Now silver and gold going up, like I'm saying. Tie that into some of the peace deal stuff, even though oil is low. Those are not good. Momentous rocketing again. Yeah, then they bring that up with the space stuff yesterday. They did a offering. There was a lot of offerings last night on a couple of companies, and then even like Global Foundries on the
crazy. This should have been a clean setup to the VWAP at least, bruh. I like when I'm controlling my emotions a lot better, bruh. I like when I'm controlling my emotions a lot better. Let's see if we can make this to the VWAP for the first trade of the day. Now, if it breaks VWAP, that's really good if it breaks VWAP. Now we're really talking. Come on. So far, so good. I'm kind of greasy, bruh. There we go. It's making that move. There we go. There we go. It's making that move. Making that move. So far, so good. There you go. There you go. There you go. There you go, Q. There you go. There you go. Come on. Come on, Q's. Come on, Q's. Of course, the VWAP failed. Come on, bruh. They know once they break over this level right here, it's wraps, dog. Dang, bruh. Ah, bro. Come on, Q's. Oh my god, bro. If he breaks the 90 me, I'm gonna be pissed the fuck off, bro. Ah, come on, pussy. Bruh. Come on, bruh. Dang, bro, every time, dog. Come on, bro. This shit. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh my goodness, bruh. Shit acting like a bitch right now, dog. Oh, come on, bro. Come on, bruh. Ah, this shit wanna bullshit around, bruh. Fuck, dog. Thank you. Come on. Come on. Keep it going. Keep it going. Keep it going. Get away from the 90 MA. Oh my goodness, bruh. Oh my god. Soon as this shit be ready to slide, they gotta say nope. They gotta do some weirdo shit, bruh. Every time the shit ready to slide, bruh. They see the levels right here, dog. Nah, they don't want it to go now. Come on, bruh. Oh my goodness, bruh. Fuck, dog. Every time this shit ready to go, bruh. Boom. Oh my god. Bruh. Wow, bruh. Wow, bro. Really, bruh? Really, bruh? That's the shit they on, dog? Goodness, dog. Fucking bullshit, bruh. G shit, dog. G shit, bruh. G shit, bruh. That was bullshit price action, bro. They know it, dog. It wasn't even oversold, bruh. Now all of a sudden they want to make the VWAP to end all the B on the green candle. Fuck out of here, bruh. That's crazy, bruh. This shit was ready to break out. It had all of them, ready to go, bruh. This shit was ready to slide, bruh. No, they're gonna make the VWAP somehow magically super powerful. On the green candle, not even the red freaking candle, bruh. They don't want niggas to glease over here, bruh. That's crazy. They bullshitting me, bruh. That's fucking dumbass price action, bro. Dumbass price action, bruh. Come on, bruh. Dumbest price action ever, bruh. This shit wasn't even over. Buy on the green candle overbought, bruh. This shit should have broke VWAP easily, bruh. Crazy, dog. That shit crazy to me, bruh. And crazy to me, dog. They already pulled back heavy crazy. Already pull how many green cap? 4 can not, man. Come on, bro. Come on, bro. That's crazy, bruh. G shit, dog. I should have known, bruh. Every time I peep, dog, I just gotta trust my instinct when it touched that VWAP, bruh. I'm like, nah, bruh, it's not gonna do it, bruh. It's not gonna break it. It's not gonna want to break it. I gotta trust my instincts from now on, bruh. I gotta be trusting my instincts, bruh. And took that little 12%, then waited. For real, dog. Should trust my instincts, bruh. Every time I don't trust my instincts, boom. Boom. All of a sudden, price action gets super technical now. As soon as I sell early, oh, it want to break VWAP. Nice party. As soon as I hold a little bit more than I want to, boom, I get this price action. I get this shit right here. Come on, bruh. Crazy, dog. I get this price action. Now all of a sudden the 90 MA gonna be a bitch now. Watch. They're gonna make this shit super hard to get over. I already know. They're gonna make it super hard to get over. Then they gotta go to 20 EMA. They're gonna make that shit difficult, bruh. Told you. Look. 9 EMA. They're gonna make this bitch some crazy motherfucking resistance. Somehow. They're gonna make it super crazy resistance. It can't go over the 9 EMA. Watch, bruh. Alright, I'm already knowing. I'm already knowing how they roll. I'm already knowing. Yep, here comes the 20 EMA rejection, of course. Here it comes. Here it comes. Now I want to get super technical now. Here it comes. All of a sudden it can't get over it. Now here it comes. Here it comes. Now I can't go to 9 EMA. Here it comes. Come on, man. It's so fucking obvious, bruh. It's so fucking obvious, bruh. This was such bullshit, bro. Like, not even close to being overbought. They brought it down like that shit was overbought, bruh. Told you. I'm already knowing. The 9 EMA is gonna act like some dumbass resistance, bruh. I already know. All of a sudden now, bruh. All of a sudden, this is gonna act as resistance now, out of nowhere. Watch. Now, all of a sudden, it can't get over this price action now, out of nowhere. Come on, bruh. They're so obvious. They're so obvious. They're so obvious. Nike, I told you. Now they don't want to get over the previous pre-market low now. Come on, bro. Or last week's low, whatever the fuck it was. Last week's low. Yeah, come on. They're obvious. Obvious, bruh. Obvious, dog. Nah, it can't go. It can't go over this price action now. All right, okay. Every time the niggas in some free position, whether I'm up in a swing trade, I could be up in a overnight call. They got a dog every time. Now let's see if they want to fuck me over with the 20 EMA, bruh. Alright. Alright, man, let's make our way back to the VWAP and break VWAP. I know it wants to break VWAP. Oh my gosh, I spoke too soon. The 20 EMA want to act as resistance. Damn, dog. Come on, bruh. Thank you, dog. I know this shit be tripping. Move away from it. Thank you. Slide, bruh. Trying to see. I know it wants to do this breakout over here, bruh. I'm not saying gotta do the whole move, but all right, we're back in profit now, but I want to get to my trade target, please. Yeah, here we go. They wanna have a random topping tail out of nowhere. Wait, where's this coming from? From this candle right here. Come on, bro. Really, dog? From this candle? That's where you're gonna top out? Because of this candle? That's what I'm saying. Dog. Nothing's random with these candles, bruh. Nothing's random. Ain't nothing random. I'm telling you, bruh. Ain't nothing random. It's not random. It's not random. And then now, all of a sudden, look, here we go. Major resistance. Not that little shit after that's major resistance. All of a sudden, the fuck out of here, bruh. Get out of here, bro. Get out of here, bruh. All of a sudden, this little thing after that's major. Bruh. All of a sudden, bro. All of a sudden, dog. Like, come on, dog. Get away from the 20 EMA, bruh. Oh my goodness, dog. I'm gonna hang around the 20 EMA, bruh. Get away from the moving averages, alright? Gee, bruh. Flash up. There you go. There you go. Flash up, flash up. Every time I say flash up, bruh. Come on, bruh. I know you want to do this move. You can do this move, man. What I be telling y'all, bruh, the 20 EMA, all of a sudden now, the 20 EMA is gonna act like some crazy resistance now. All of a sudden now, bruh. Now, all of a sudden now, it can't move nowhere. Come on, bro. It's the dumbass shit I be talking about, bruh. It's the nonsense I be talking about, bruh. This shit ready to go, dog. Boom, here comes the 9 EMA. Now all of a sudden the 9 EMA won't let it go. But meanwhile, we got the pattern. We got the pattern, bruh. It's there. Crazy, bruh. Making high low. Meanwhile, we got the pattern, bruh. Now 9 EMA, all of a sudden 9 EMA is crazy resistance now. Come on, bruh. All of a sudden, bruh. All of a sudden. Now it can't get over the 9 EMA now. All of a sudden. All of a sudden now. Alright, man. Crazy, bruh. That's crazy price action, bro. Wow. Up almost 1%. You bring it all the way back down. And you don't want the oversold bounce play to happen now. Come on, bruh. Wow, bruh. Wow, bruh. That's amazing. Now all of a sudden 9 EMA is the gold standard for resistance now. All of a sudden now, bruh. All of a sudden now I can't go with the 20 EMA now. It pokes his head. Oh, let's just randomly bring it back down. Like, why? Annoying, bro. That's crazy to me, bruh. Tripping, bruh. Wow, bruh. It's like, yo, it's like a magnetic force on the 9 EMA now. All of a sudden, bro. All of a sudden, it's some magnetic force that won't let it go through the moving averages now. All of a sudden, bruh. All of a sudden, here we go. All of a sudden now, the 9 EMA is, bruh. Fuck, get out of here, dog. All of a sudden now, bruh. All of a sudden now, bruh. All of a sudden now, dog. That's crazy, bruh. Fucking hilarious, bro. Fucking hilarious, dog. Fucking hilarious, bro. They really punished me because I take profit around 11%, bruh. I wasn't even trying to be greedy. I wasn't even trying to be greedy, bruh. Like, damn, like that. From almost 1% to bring this shit all the way down. Really, bruh. Really, dog. Really, bruh. 1.57? Alright, man. These niggas here, bruh. Alright, bro. Alright, man. I don't got no words, bruh. That's crazy to me, bruh. That's crazy, dog. That's a crazy move, bruh. Really, bruh. That's crazy to me, fool. G shit. G shit, dog. This shit was already overbought. Now they made this shit go even lower, bruh. Unbelievable, bruh. I'm just in amazement, bruh. Crazy price action, dog. Unreal, bruh. Unreal. All of a sudden now, dog, they made the fire. Oh, now the 9 EMA, it can't get broken now. Now the 9 EMA couldn't get broken. Fuck out of here. It got the volume. Come on, bruh. That's crazy, bruh. That's that shit. That's man, bruh. Nah, man. That's crazy, bruh. That's crazy, bro. Even on the 15-minute, look. Look. Oh, bruh. Dog, I know they bucking right now, dog. Yes, the fuck you. No, what are you doing? Talking about pause. Don't pause my shit. Wow, I'm out. Wow, kid. Wow, kid. Really, bruh? Really, bruh? Thank you. Like, I'm like, y'all tripping, bruh. Like, come as a dog. Like, come on, bruh. They really doing this shit. They really doing this. Wow, bro. Are you kidding me, dog? I was gonna be like, ain't no way they doing this, bro. No way. I'm like, there's no way they're gonna try me like that, bruh. I'm like, how y'all just giving out random red candles, bruh? Like, come on, bruh. They be trying to fucking bullshit you. Once we get over here, we're gonna be in profit. So if this play could act right, we'll be done for the day. This is the boogeyman right here. The 20 EMA. This is the boogeyman. This is the bane of my existence right here, bro. It needs to get over the 20 EMA. It needs to get over it, bruh. Here we go. Look. Come on, bruh. Get over that 20 EMA. Thank you. Come on. Get over that 20 EMA. Don't flash down. No weirdo shit, bruh. Come on. Come on, bruh. Oh my God. Move away from the 20 EMA, please, bruh. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Sweet Lord, thank you. All right, come on. This may end up being a fantastic bottom tick trade. We for sure taking profits on this one right here. All right, we are in red. So if it reaches this price, oh my God, don't give a random wick, bruh. All right, can y'all finish the move? Oh my God, don't do that, bruh. It's like, dog, how y'all just give a random red candle over this, bruh? How? This shit ready to slide. Where? What resistance, bruh? Ain't that shit annoying, bro? There's no, bruh. Oh my God, bruh. All of a sudden now, dog. I don't even understand. There was no wick in sight, nothing. But it just want to randomly just pull back. Bro. All a nigga wanted, bruh. Damn, kid. You Black, what's good, homie? What's good? What's good? I'm in the trade right now. I'm in 2 trades. One of the trades I'm in, I'm up 11%. I'm about to take profit on that bitch right now. On this quick scout. I want to see if this is continue to move forward. Is it going to drop back? I'm trying to see what they want to do right now. Okay, it's trying to go forward. Let's see what that shit want to do, boy. Hey, appreciate you, my boy. Appreciate you. Pull up, homie. Appreciate you, my dog. Trying to make my money on the day, dog. Shit. I think I'm gonna just take profits right here. Let me see. Let me see if you want to keep going or not. He's still red on the day. I gotta be careful, kid. Okay. So far, so good. We up 12%. So far, so good. We vibing right now. We vibing. Come on, flash up. I don't know if this shit want to take off or did I take profit now? This shit trying to take off. Okay. That motherfucker trying to take off. Okay. Do your thing. Do your thing, Q's. Do your thing. I've been waiting for this shit. Do your thing, Q's. Go ahead, Q's. Yeah. Hold up. Hold up. Is this the move? Or we pull back? I'll take profits right now, motherfucker. Hold on. Oh, it's moving up. Hold on. I want to see before I sell too early. I want to see. I ain't gonna lie, you black, this shit, oh, this shit moving, kid. Oh, shit. Oh, we got action, my boy. We got action, my boy. Oh, we got action, nigga. Nigga. Break through that shit. You break through that shit, we vibing. Break through that shit, we vibing. Oh, shit, it want to do it. Nah, I'll take profits right here. Fuck it. I'll take it right here. I'll take it right here. I ain't greedy. I ain't greedy. I ain't greedy. Don't try me. 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 That shit trying me right now. What? Every time I'm ready to take profits, bruh, it want to do weirdo shit like this, dog. Bullshit, I'm Rick, bro. Bruh, how they stop? Yo, really, dog? I'm steady trying to take profits right here. They fucking try me, dog. Oh, shit, bruh. Oh, shit, dog. They really tried me, bruh. They really tried me, bruh. Every time, it never fails, bruh. As soon as I wanted to take profits, all of a sudden, a big pullback somehow. Somehow. I know you, Black. I'm just stressing out right now, kid. That's what that trading shit do to you, homie. I know it's gonna go back up, bruh. I'm just tripping out, bruh. Don't mind me, bruh. Bro, trust me, kid. A nigga stay rage baiting every 30 seconds, bro. Trust me. That shit, just like you said, that shit right back up, dogs. Nah, all right, let me not be greedy. G shit, let me be on point, bro. Nigga not trying to stress myself out and shit. Hold up. I'm up 13%. Remember, it would have took me 8 hours to make this money Uber Eats, kid. 8 hours. So I gotta keep that shit in perspective. It said, whoa, it said Trump just what? Okay, never mind. Finish strong under 1 minute. Finish strong under 1 minute. There you go. There you go. Come on. Come on. Get away from the 90 and hey, get away from that. My God, that price action, bruh. Bro, shit, dog. This shit really pulled back on this bullshit at 729, bro. Where's 729? I want to see, dog. They be bullshitting, bro. Like, yo, since yesterday? Y'all want to use yesterday's resistance to bring the shit all the way back. Come on, bruh. Dang, dog. Under 1 minute, bro. The cues, come on. Keep it going, bruh. Q's, you are right there, ready for the breakout, my nigga. Keep it going. These random just red candles, just no. We don't want that. Come on, bruh. Bruh, I'm telling you, you black, that bit break that shit. We out of there, bruh. It's doing it right now. It's doing it right now. Hold up. We out of there, boy. We out of there, boy. Just break that. Just break that. Break that. There you go. There you go. Just break that. Come on. Come on. Don't pull back. Don't false settle a nigga, dog. I'm looking at it, you black. I'm looking at it. Don't false settle a nigga, man. Get over that 729, dog. I know you want to do it, homie. I know you want to do it, homie. That shit playing, bruh. I'm telling you, that 729 no joke. And this is on the 1 minute chart. That's why niggas gotta learn how to read the charts, bruh. That 729 is bullshit, bruh. It's bullshit. I'm telling you, bruh, like that shit is fucking with me right now, dog. And then as soon as I sell that shit, that's when my shit gonna rip. That's why I'm a hate, bruh. $7.29, bruh. 3 times. I'm telling you, bruh. Fucking bullshit price action, bruh. Out of nowhere, bruh. Now they don't want this shit to get over $7.29 now. All of a sudden, bruh. All of a sudden, it's too much to get over $7.29. Look. They try to flash this shit down. Come on, bro. Come on, bruh. It's crazy. This junk was ready to go, bruh. This junk ready to slide, bruh. $7.29 was ready to go, bruh. They don't want to go no more. All of a sudden. Resistance from yesterday, bruh. Now I don't want to go over it anymore. Now I can't get over it now. Come on, bruh. Let's see if they play with the 9 EMA. Let's see if they play the 9 EMA. Let's see if it's what? 1, 2, 3. I'll say 4. I'll say 4. Let's say 4th time to charm. Let's see 4th time to charm to get it over it, bruh. Let's see. Let's see. We got the bullish volume. We got more bullish volume than bearish. Making higher lows on the 1 minute chart. But it felt like I've been here for 3 hours. It's only been about, what, 1 hour and 20 minutes in the dog. Mentally trading is not for the weak hearted. Mentally, bruh. All right, come on. Come on. Don't be shy, bruh. Come on. Break through. All of a sudden, bruh, this magical resistance, bruh. All of a sudden, 729 can't get broken now. All of a sudden, bruh. All of a sudden. Every time you get a nice green bullish moves, somehow this shit act like crazy resistance, bruh. Come on, bro. Over my app every time I want to flash up. This shit don't want me to be great, bruh. Gee shit, dog. Gee shit, bruh. This shit don't want me to be great. This shit don't want me to be great, bruh. All of a sudden now. All of a sudden now, bruh. Alright, go ahead, you Blacksmith. Go ahead, go do your thing, man. Shout out to your baby girl ceremony, bro. Congrats, congrats. Family first, homie. Go do your thing. Take care of business. Hey, yeah, here we go. I'm out there. I'll take that win right there, bruh. So this shit gonna keep playing around this price action. I'll take that win right there, bro. That shit tripping. If the dude decides to break out, I'm being right in position. Let me see how much I made on that trade. Anyways, history. I'll take that. About $100 on that trade. I'll take it. Alright, I was already knowing. I peeked the pattern under 1 minute. Every time the Bollinger Bands get short like that, that's when that shit wanna drop out of nowhere. Every time. And the Bollinger Bands just get short like that out of nowhere, volatility starts to close up, yeah, you're gonna get bullshit, dried up, low volume price action. And this is the result we get. Every time. Every time. It failed 1, 2, 3, 4, almost 5 times. It didn't want to go over it, bruh. With good volume, it didn't want to break out. Good volume. It should have broke out right here. Second time, right here. Come on, bruh. This could potentially might be the start of it. Since it's outside the Bollinger Band, it could actually start making its way towards high, and then we will see what it do the rest of the day. If it wants to start its reversal.
But then raises your tax bracket, sometimes it's better to not take a raise. So like in this case too, it all depends. Like if your extra contribution lowers your tax bracket, I would keep doing that. But then if you know, save it more and your income goes up, and then you have to pay more in taxes because of where your bracket is, that's where it could backfire. So in that case, I would talk to a tax person who understands your situation a little bit better. So then that way you could kind of get like a direct, real answer about what just makes the most sense, right? Because then if you save more, but if any of this triggers you paying way more in taxes, working the same if not more to get less, it may be better to stick with the plan you have now. Otherwise, I'm a big fan of the individual long terms, like outside of the 401k, but 401ks and company matches are elite. The thing that sucks about them is you just can't touch them until you retire, but that's also not a bad thing all the time. Those options came back up a little bit. Some of the ones they didn't get too clobbered. I love you. God bless you. Good morning. Roth, I don't think Roths are, again, the retirement accounts aren't bad. Just that's going to be for money you're not trying to like actively move to a house, essentially, because that's it. The retirement, tax-free dividends, it's an awesome thing. It just, again, you're going to have more limitations when it comes time to move it. So if you're looking for something passive and for 20, 30 years out, those retirement accounts are great. But I would say if you have a plan in like 5 or 10 years or less to get it to a property, a normal brokerage, again, especially with like some of the new tax benefits, so that could serve you pretty well. Again, target on the high, fly going up, again, whatever ECL. I mean, that's not energy, but industrial. What about house hacking as a 22-year-old? What do you mean? House hacking is they've abused that term. They're like, I'm house hacking. I'm like, no, bitch, you got a roommate. Okay, that's not That's not house hacking. Okay? They're like, I'm house hacking. I'm like, no, bitch, you just took a bunch of leverage out in one of the highest interest rate regimes in the last 40 years. Okay, that's not. So it just depends on how you view what house hacking is. But like I'm saying, I think in both of those instances, like I don't think you should be pulling money out of one house and putting it into another, paying high interest and not cash flow. And then it's like, if you are young, you know, if you want to get a renter, if you want to have a roommate and it'll help, do it, but make sure you get a deal that would work, assuming you didn't have a roommate. Or the best example is get a multifamily, like a FHA multifamily, get low down payment, live in one, and then rent the other, but then just don't tell the people you're renting to that you own it. So then that way you can kind of separate it. So it's a good idea. Again, I'm all about it, you know, having renters and having it help pay it, but make sure your property or your house that you get wouldn't be a situation where like it's dependent upon that, essentially. So then that way you have both more flexibility, and then if something happens, you're not, we'll go from good position to bad position. Apple.
I was spending the 9 EMA, bruh.
That's the Josh Atola.
All of a sudden today, bruh, the 9 EMA can't do nothing, dog.
That's what I've been trying to tell everybody. You wanted to build a garage or add a guest house, would it make sense to rent to cover the cost? Yeah, I mean, go see how much it's going to cost you to build. That's not going to be cheap, and that's going to still take 18 months probably minimum. K-Web. I'll give another update on it, because again, I think it's so far the last week in China has been terrible. We have not had any favorable reports. All the news has been bad, even earnings.
Still like this though. That's the thing. I like this. If this stays, which I think it's going to, this should be able to rip.
Not a chip stock. Pretty much from the CPI. If we're gonna find out if the CPI fucks up the market, we want to see if that brings up the laggers. Otherwise, if the CPI is good, market avoids it, and just starts going up, and then the laggers are either going to not move and then they're dead, or the laggers.
Oh my god, the 15-minute chart. Come on, man. Come on, we got this right here. Boom, boom. With a loss. Come on. There you go. Come on. I know you want to go through.
There was some stock with the V today. I forgot what it was. Marvel, you're going down again. They have earnings today too. Amazon going, Google chill. They were leading in the morning, and then Apple. You right. HPE on the low. Interesting, and then HPQ went up. Earnings checkup. We could do it later. I mean, it's pretty early, but the premiums actually went up today, which was good. But yeah, you either hold that play or you sell it at the close. That's what I was saying with any. It sucks. We had better earnings run-ups yesterday. They got clapped a little bit today. I mean, could have been a lot worse, but they weren't that bad. But the idea is you're either going to sell those at a loss today before the bell, or if you want to push it and go for the earnings move, you can exit whenever you like, or you could hold it until after the report. I don't think Adobe is lagging. I think they're underperforming. It's a software stock. It looks like software, and then there's still, remember, they didn't have a good earnings. They didn't have earnings that really supported it all. But yeah, so technically it is lagging, but it's lagging, for a reason. Trump might be live. Yeah, Trump participates in cabinet meetings. I don't have the live feed, but there's some that are popping up. ALM V. Alright, well, SPY coming back down slowly. Trump is probably just gonna slow the market down. You know, give you something of algos to focus on, chop up a little bit. Yeah, HP. Well, remember, HP and HPQ are just different, unfortunately. So it's the same company. This was one of the bigger corporate spin-offs back in the day. But HPE is like the business side, business to business. So they're selling the data centers, corporations, all of that. And then HPQ, the one with earnings today, this is the one that's lagging pretty heavy. That's their consumer division. So this is the stuff that consumers buy, like a HP computer. And then HPE is like the data centers the companies are buying for build-outs and all of that. Robinhood MCP for agents? No. But I'm excited. There's a couple of things I look forward to, which they're kind of dark. If I tell you guys, will you not judge me? You'll probably judge me anyway. Do you want me to tell you? Your godfather works for them. He resigned and works for NVIDIA now. Hey, yo, tell him to hook us up, bro. Can we get shares? You know, I did that the other day. So a company reached out to me, and they wanted to sponsor me, and they were not long-term monthly. But they were like, we're giving away up to 50 shares of NVIDIA for every person that you sign up to our brokerage. Right? So you know what my rebuttal was? I said, fuck this little game of chance. How about you do this? If you guarantee 10 shares of NVIDIA to every person. I said, I'm down. I said, don't pay me, pay them. Every single person 10 shares of NVIDIA. Right off the jump. I said, can you do that? And then they stalled. They're like, but my check-ins and my savings. Yeah, they said up to 250. I said, no. Just let's do 10% of that. I said 10% minimum for everybody. Are you interested? They couldn't. They were scamming, bro. They were scamming. I said, I'd be down. I mean, why not? No. I said, every account. That's it. Just give us some shares, bro. They make you a deal. Yalla. So yeah, but I'll tell you, you can't judge me too hard. But I hope you see the opportunity, even the classic last couple of years here, and you see how things play out. But here's the deal. I'm excited for all of these bots in trading and the agents.
Yeah, it's coming back.
And I think it's a real opportunity for some people to really take advantage. Why? Because these bots are fucking dumb. And not because the bots are dumb, but it's been trained off of data over the last 10 years of dumbasses on Twitter and shit. So that's why I'm excited, because it's a lot of, like I told you, even with the long term, a lot of people forgot things. You know that? You know how many people have forgotten things and how much good info has been kind of, misdirected into the abyss of people forgetting? So yeah, long story short, I think there's a lot of trading strategy and a lot of things that the bots are going to miss. And when you have an environment of everybody kind of going after that, I think it's going to be there's going to be a window where pretty much half of the people are on the bot shit, and then those who aren't, it's going to be a fun time until it works out its error. But when they first start to really roll out, I'm telling you, I've even been dealing with a lot of AI and like info, and just it's stupid. That's what I'm saying. Like, it takes a lot you could get it to aggregate things, but yeah, there is just, again, I mean, you've heard the talks I've had with Grok and some of the other ones when it comes to finance. It's trained off of even though it's trained off of a lot of people and it has a lot of data, it's trained off of a lot of fucking dumb shit, which I think is awesome. Sadly. So that's the first part. And then the second one is what I told you the other day, is that at some point in the next 4 years, Kevin Warsh is going to fuck up. I can't stress this enough. Kevin Warsh is going to have a fuck up. You guys know that, right? So that's going to create an opportunity for both Fed panic and Fed saving the market, and then that's going to cause at least one point in the next 4 years, we are going to have real Fed-induced volatility because the new guy is always going to fuck up. Powell's fuck up was in the beginning, when they first started raising. Remember, that's the first TLT, 2018, and then the repo crisis, and then leading into the 2019. Does he either has to cut or he doesn't? That was the first TLT, and then his policy response to COVID, not only cutting really fast, but remember, Powell kept the money supply, trillions of dollars pumped in the market, and then kept rates at zero for about 9 to 10 months. And then his other fuck up was cutting before the election. And that you could argue that was a personal fuck up, but let me put it this way. Are you guys ready for this? Because that's why you guys keep thinking I get hella political, but like you want me to, like, this might piss you off. Are you ready? Oh, I gotta go back. So like you're like, oh yeah, fuck that, but like this is the election, dude. The SPY's up 50% since that last rate cut that you didn't need. So I'm just saying, oh, they cut me off. Oh, then that's good tin right there, bro. That's it. The YouTube cut me off for telling me that. So that's how you know it's accurate. But yeah, like I'm saying, this is where the election happened. So I mean, that cut. So not only did Homeboy, again, there was a series of it, but the first couple, like I'm telling you, 2018, the liquidity, kind of how he tightened things up, leading to a repo crisis. That was real volatility. And then the final, getting cornered into a rate decision, which again, we made 10, 20,000 or 30,000% on TLT. And then we had another 30,000% on TLT by just playing the COVID move. So I do think in the next 4 years, he's going to have maybe a series of events, or at least one event that does lead to a fuck up. Yeah, you could argue SVB too. Mm-hmm. It would be better if Warsh messed up now rather than later, because then you could at least get it out of the system. So, but I fully believe it. So I could be wrong, but I do think that is that's one thing in the next 4 years I am always going to be on the lookout for, is that the new Fed chair fucks it up, just because that they're not all going to be perfect, and now there's a lot riding on the new job and everything going on, so it could go many ways, my brethren. I know. Well, YouTube cut me out when I was pointing to you where how the market has gone up 50% since the election rate cut. GE on the high. What's up with GE? 313 to 318, up 1.2. Yo, check GE. Did Yellen have one? Oh yeah, Yellen's whole career was messing up. You've realized.
Told you about the 9 EMA, bruh. Out of nowhere, bruh.
Let me put it this way. Are you guys ready for the wildest statement? Oh, Berenstein Conference, May 27th at 11 a.m. So GE's at a conference right now. It started 15 minutes ago. They're leaning towards high end of guidance. Parts demand accelerated further in last night.
Crazy, bruh. And niggas think I be tripping with this price action stuff, bro.
They're saying they're going to be on the higher end. Yeah, you could argue Janet Yellen is the reason you have your inflation today. Not that she printed the money, well, not all of it, and not that she caused, China supply chain down to COVID. She didn't do that. But this whole concept of printing a fuck ton of money, and had the Fed's involvement and everyone's involvement, and the whole idea that as long as that the value of money doesn't matter if you get everybody to keep accepting it, literally modern monetary policy. It's all Janet Yellen. I'll tell you, this is the craziest statement. Because I will tell you, without a doubt, God above all,
ridiculous
God
right
is the
now,
reason.
bruh.
He's
Wow,
in control of my
bro.
life and everything else. But attached to this example, without Janet Yellen, I don't think I would be as rich as I am today. Let that sink in for a second. That's what I'm telling you. She printed the money, brother. She was the mom, the queen of this. Hey, let's just print a bunch of fucking paper money and fucking put it on a helicopter and then fucking throw it out to everybody year after year after year after year. This whole asset prices, real estate prices, none of that happened without that. So I'd argue, I mean, again, she was God above all else, but she was a nice driver getting involved in money early on and having the wherewithal to buy assets. Hey, it's these again. Excuse me. Spy coming down a little bit. The White House on Wednesday said a report ran TV citing a draft of an unofficial between Iran was not true and cited the memorandum was a complete fabrication. Reiteration from Reuters reporter. So literally, that was that headline here. Reuters is reiterating it, adding that it wasn't true, or kind of explaining what they meant, or what the White House meant. And then Israel attacks Hezbollah command entire southern Lebanon. I know, it's been a minute since we got it. This time, Reuters is confirming it. So Reuters is pretty much confirming that White House report from earlier. It's because Reuters doesn't want it. The block is hot right now. So with everybody like, you know, all the blaming Goluboff and blaming Trump for the front runs on oil, that's why Reuters isn't putting out fake reports. The block is too hot. They don't want to get. They don't want. You know what I'm saying? People are looking for that shit now, so they don't want. They can't be too obvious. Well, the news is that pretty much this. I mean, oil. It's already the market's kind of already priced it in. At least the SPYs came back down to the level, but oil already recovered. Because we were down in the pre-market, and then Iranian TV came out and was saying how they have like an unofficial memorandum, and that brought oil down a little bit more. But oil's already recovered from there, so SPY lower, but. I wouldn't. It's a news, but not anything new. Kind of the same back and forth we've already been dealing with. A breakout or range round? I think it just depends on whether or not chips and the other rotation elements come up. But this might be a broadening out day for now. That's what it feels like, at least with staples and how everything's playing with IGV and chips. But you never know. And then after the bell today, the earnings, all these like software, cybersecurity earnings, those are going to be able to be a nice tailwind into tomorrow. And then the final thing into tomorrow will be the PCE data. And speaking of software, dude, Zscaler's still on the low. Absolutely disgusting. Marvel just, again, some of the chips selling off here in the morning. I have to remember, Marvel moved up like 10% yesterday. But the thing is, what's it called? Marvel has earnings. So yeah.
Every time you think it's ready to go, bruh, nope.
CRM came down though. That was looking good for a little bit. And Then SPY into the low. Again, food plays. Well, Wendy's is on the high, but then like BG, ADM food plays are climbing up here too. So high ticker's running up, and it's like chemicals, fertilizer, and energy. Meanwhile, more tech and then global foundries on the low. Dow Jones, 23 in the green, 7 in the red, 44 red on the NASDAQ, 56 green, and then SPY, 293 green.
Crazy, bro. We thought we had it. That's crazy, bro. Wow. Gave you 3 opportunities, bro, and they just brought that shit down like, nope, nope, nope. They said no, hell no, hell no, hell no. From being all the way over here pre-market.
5 minutes, it is almost pushing time kind of down. SQM on the high. Oh, does that sound familiar? Isn't that energy? More value, Habibi. Again, Dow Chemicals riding up.
You know what's funny? Usually when it's get ready like this, it's usually a nice rip. But you see this a nice rip heading into this nope. Now all of a sudden it gotta be super technical now.
Up, and now both software and chips are coming down essentially. So that little morning here, or that little rally, remember software went green for a second, chips got a little worse, you were holding up. Now both of them, chips did not catch a bounce. Software's now coming down. The only thing catching a bid, you're just broadening out into these Dow names. Granted, you still have, you know, close to 300 names in the green. McDonald's. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. If Marvel beats, would that be a catalyst for NVIDIA? No, just because I mean, you need something specific for NVIDIA, because that's the whole reason why NVIDIA is getting cheaper, is that in a weird way, all these other software names, they're catching all the attention. So essentially, they're using NVIDIA to fund it. But so it's like if Marvel does good, it'll benefit Marvel, but that'll lift up the chips even more. But that doesn't necessarily mean that NVIDIA is going to follow along with it. Maybe Dell, because they have more closer ties, but even then, though, it's just like if individual names run and leave behind NVIDIA, that's literally the situation that we're in. So the sympathies aren't necessarily helping in that sense. The executive team hold us with the GFS play? Nah, I made that shit free yesterday. So, like I'm saying, I mean, I got a couple of plays that didn't hit off the bat this morning, and then you had a couple that kind of stalled out on the pre-run-up, but a lot of those make frees yesterdays ended up working out very well. So, Saidu, TE, and even GFS, you know, those, I mean, I'm not bothered by them. Again, and then you woke up with at least, what was it, Corsair working? So, yeah, you were able to maneuver there, but the make free on that helped out. Like I told you, I was worried about the top blast on some of those, and we got lucky yesterday that they held up. So, if they had a little bit of gain, I made sure we took them. In that case, so I wasn't too bothered by that. But yeah, we did held, unfortunately. They did drop a 20 million share block. Netflix. EA again, take two. I don't know if it's 8, 9. I think 11:30 or 10:30. Ford. I know. You got off the phone with Schwab. New PDT rule takes effect June 8th. I think the upside is for those who could make trades free. Yeah, it'll make it a lot easier. There's always ghetto spread, but that does limit the risk to reward and potential gains. I think it'll even be good for Schwab as a brokerage. Again, whoever implements it first, I think is going to benefit a lot more. Neo. Alright, we'll see a little bit off the bottom, see if it's going to be chips or software. Again, I mean, the last hour or so, or 2 hours really, been negating one of the smaller headlines that got us going. new except just movement. That is all. And speaking of movement, we're 5 minutes early. Caledonia! Oh, woo! I did leg day yesterday. I'm not fully sore yet. I'm gonna get sore as the day goes on. But Caledonia, you're here right now. You've been here for 2.5 hours. Sitting is the new smoking. I need you to get beside your desk and do 10 push-ups. How does that sound? 10 push-ups, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, anything. I'm asking for your sake, not mine, that you move around, that you take care of your body, so that you long-term you can survive, but then your body can survive as long as you're long-term. It's actually good for you. Get the blood pumping, energy. Get a deep breath in. Oh, when was the last time you had a deep breath, bro? Come on, get something in there like swimwear. So, yeah, move around, chest to the sun, flex the core, tuck the hips in, legs in front of you, get some good posture, move around, relax your jaw. You know what I'm saying? It's good for you. You got 4.5 hours left, baby. So get that body of yours moving. I'm gonna get some lunges in. And speaking of, that's what I'm saying, it's hard when the market keeps ripping up, dude. I know you don't want to make it free, but then right when the momentum stops, days like today, like, this is why I make it free, son. So let's go, baby. Let's go. Get a push-up in. Where is it? I'm trying to get you some tracks.
Teachings. So that's our goal, to make sure everybody can reach their financial goals. Just look at this one more time. This is crazy. Very inspiring. God is good. So listen, if you guys are interested in learning,
can tear down their daughters. Because, and they don't understand, for them to be spiritual people, they do not understand the power of words, right? Because, I would have never gotten here. Nothing I did was right. Oh, nobody gonna marry you. You a sucker. Let's talk about the power of the tongue. Yeah. Projecting this of me, your child. They don't understand. Every little thing. Oh, I love Jesus. I love God. Yeah, but you're telling your daughter that she's never gonna. My mom literally has said to me, "Nobody's ever gonna marry you." Oh, my mom. Oh, all of this stuff you're doing in the street, nobody's ever gonna marry you. Yeah. You can't even wash your clothes right. You can't even. You don't got respect for yourself. It's like, what do you mean I have respect for myself? What do you mean by that? Because the thing about it is this though, your mom does not know the real you. Exactly. Still. Yeah. Like other people that have met you outside, they know the real you. They've seen you. They understand you. It's kind of like Jesus. The people in your hometown not really gonna. Oh, I love celebrate you. Respect you. They won't celebrate you. They won't respect you. Your mom has this little.
Interesting part, when you look at market share, they own between 90 to 93% of all market share in that space. I don't think Kudos, like you just brought up, their software dominance is going to go anywhere. Autonomous and robotic scaling is going to be really big. And also, too, even the partnership potentially with them, SpaceX, Cursor AI, is one to keep your eyes on. So as enterprise, the next shift is internationally into India. He's doing what he needs to do to maintain a relationship with China. As long as that global market share doesn't go anywhere, they'll be A-okay. I think people are being short.
Really honest, it's been so long since you texted me. I finally took a break and now I feel like I'm on ecstasy. You said what my hope means to me will one day be the death of me. They tried to kill me once, but darling, you just resurrected me. Teach me, baby. Oh, my only thing you teach me, baby. I'm so green, you gotta teach me, baby. I'm thinking for you a PC. My shit there one day, you see.
I ain't gonna lie, she's gorgeous. And he got a beautiful wife.
I want to fight with a woman beater and feature nature. If you still bumping on Kelly, you your music is going to a hypocrite. Piece of paper. One day nigga, I see you when I see you like Fantasia. You can hit me if you need a favor. When I say I hit you back, it's a lot, say. Promise.
lot of shit was some good exercise, like to get out, get the pen work done. It would be a worthy competitor if I was really a predator and you weren't fucking lying to every blogger and editor, but it is what it is.
I got $400,000 added to my and they ended up married. Wow. It is time! Juice, it is time! I did it too early. That's the problem. I timed it too early. That was my problem. It's fine though. Oh, I know what I'm gonna do. Okay. I see the game. I think I understand the price action now. What?
Yeah. Rolling weed while I'm driving, nigga.
Yes, good morning. How are you? My name is Sudley Eugene from Building A, and I just wanted to let you guys know that the trash chute is like it's backed up, like it's filled. Okay, no problem. Thank you. Okay. All right. Okay. Okay. I have stuff to make sandwich. They have the prototype. It's like you can have it for everybody today. I have it. It's right here. No, why the hell is my thing got hurt out of nowhere, man? Mm.